Hi everyone, I am here at Toyota Motor North America in Plano, Texas, and I am here with an oldie but a goodie. This is the 2001 Lexus RX. And this is a groundbreaking vehicle. This was a vehicle that really launched the luxury SUV segment. It was bold, it was daring at the time. Many people thought that it would never be a hit. But over 2 decades later, it has been a bestseller. In fact, it is the best-selling vehicle in the lineup at Lexus Canada. And now for 2023, it gets completely redone. And we're gonna have a look. So this is the all-new 2023 Lexus RX. And this vehicle has an edge over the competition because this is actually built in Canada. This rolls off the line in Cambridge, Ontario, and it is the first and only plant to build the RX outside of Japan. So it really says a lot about Canadian manufacturing and the RX. Now, when you look at it, you'll notice it looks similar to last generation. It has a new take though on the spindle grille. It's massive, you can't miss it. It has the L lights here, big air intakes, 19-inch wheels, 21-inch are optional on this model, which is the F Sport, the top model. Now, compared to the last generation, it's about the same size, but has a longer wheelbase. It also rides on a new platform, which means it has more space inside, especially in the rear seat. For passengers, if you want extra legroom, you have it there. And of course, it has a lot of cool tech features. For example, you can just kick under the rear bumper and the trunk will open for you. So you have a big spacious area here for cargo. This will actually have 4 different powertrains and 3 of them will be electric. The big one is the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. We don't have a lot of details about that, but there's also a conventional hybrid. There's a gas engine, an inline 4 that's mated to electric motors as well. So a lot of options here for people who have different needs. Now, let's go check out the interior. I love this interior. It is like a Lexus, very luxurious, very refined, beautiful red leather seats, a nice small gear shifter that fits nicely in your hands, a 14-inch screen that's easy to use. You can access your audio, your maps, heated or air-conditioned seats, heated steering wheel, everything you could possibly want. It even has a new tech feature where you can use your smartphone to unlock and lock the doors as well as start the vehicle. You don't need a traditional key. There's other cool technology in here as well. A new advanced parking system that will help you parallel park this vehicle. There is certainly a lot more safety technology with this as well, because this gets the latest version of Lexus Safety System 3.0, and it's basically a bundled package of safety features that includes everything like pre-collision systems that will warn you if there's a pedestrian in front of you and can even stop the vehicle. Now it can even detect motorcycles. So this is a really nice package that has a lot of safety features in here and the added benefit of having a choice of different hybrid powertrains as well. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. It is only available now as a 2-seater, so with 2 rows of seats. Last generation we had 3 rows of seats. That's gone. We're hearing that there's going to be an all-new model that will come out, possibly called the TX. That'll be the larger 3-row SUV. For now, it is a beautiful package that's made in Canada. Unfortunately, we don't have the price of this yet, but it will go on sale later this year. Thanks for watching Moto Ragazza. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao, ciao.